How to see who likes your YouTube videos. So basically, if you go to your dashboard, your YouTube studio, so if you go to your channel dashboard and then you go to content, you can see that your videos got some likes. So you may wonder who liked your video. Now I've searched on the internet and I found that you can't see who likes your YouTube video. So as you can see, YouTube doesn't show you the names of the users who like your video, but you can see who subscribe to you. So if you go to YouTube Studio and then go to dashboard and then scroll down, you can see the latest comments and then you can see the recent subscribers. So simply click on see all and these are the latest subscribers, and as you can see, you can basically see who subscribed and maybe liked your videos. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.